Okay, Rich at Rich's Mobile Auto Repair. There's the completed repair. It fits nice and snug. No more movement, can't lift it up and down. So now the plastic lower tank is not resting right on the metal lower radiator support, which over time would have just worn through the plastic tank and had a coolant leak, and if they didn't catch it, they could have blown up their engine. So just while I'm here, glance at coolant. Power steering's actually a little overfilled. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Again, this is Rich at Rich's Mobile Auto Repair.